When you open your car door, the interior lights should automatically turn on. This simple but important feature provides visibility and safety when entering or exiting your vehicle. Watch what happens when the door opens. The door switch detects the movement and signals the system to illuminate the interior lights. This automatic lighting system relies on a simple electrical circuit with three main components: the door switch, the body control module, or BCM, and the interior lights themselves. The door switch is the first component in this chain. When the door opens, it sends a signal to the body control module, which then activates the interior lights. There are different types of door switches used in vehicles. Traditional cars use mechanical plunger-type switches, while modern vehicles often use electronic sensors. Mechanical switches use a physical plunger mechanism. When the door closes, it presses the switch down. When opened, the spring pushes the plunger out, completing the circuit. Modern vehicles often use Hall effect sensors or proximity sensors. These electronic switches detect door position without physical contact, using magnetic fields or other sensing technologies. When the system works properly, opening the door triggers the switch, which sends a signal to the body control module. The BCM then activates the interior lights for a preset duration. If your interior lights are not turning on when you open the door, it indicates a problem somewhere in this system. This could be a faulty door switch, a blown fuse, damaged wiring, or an issue with the body control module. Understanding this basic system helps you identify when something is wrong and guides you toward the right solution. A properly functioning door light system is essential for both safety and convenience. When your car's interior lights aren't working, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to identify and fix the problem. Step 1. Start with a visual inspection of the door jamb switch. Look for obvious damage, corrosion, or debris that might prevent proper operation. Step 2. Check the fuse related to interior lights. A blown fuse is one of the most common causes of lighting failures and is easily replaceable. Step 3. Test the door switch manually using a multimeter. This will verify if the switch is completing the electrical circuit properly. Step 4. For modern vehicles, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes related to the body control module. Modern cars integrate door switches into the CAN bus system. Step 5. If the problem persists, professional diagnosis may be required, especially for newer vehicles with complex electronic systems. Here are typical repair costs and success rates. Remember, electronic door sensors are more reliable than traditional mechanical switches, with only a 4% failure rate compared to 12% for mechanical switches. However, they require more complex diagnostic tools and professional expertise for repair.